Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you? How are you feeling? How is life treating you? Hopefully life is treating you well. If not, I hope things get better. So welcome. I'm gonna do FabFitFun Fall. I didn't unbox this when it came. I don't know why I didn't unbox it. I was just being lazy, I guess. I don't know. But the winter box is available right now, and I've already customized my box, and that should be quite interesting. There's a few things I got. I even got some extra stuff, so that should be coming soon, and I'll unbox that as well. But if you're not familiar, FabFitFun is a quarterly subscription box. It delivers a selection of 8 to 10 full-size items, I believe. I don't remember if everything is in this box, to be perfectly honest. I did take some stuff out and put some stuff back in, so we're gonna get started. Again, this is FabFitFun Fall unboxing, so let's get started. It is $49.99 a quarter if you decide to go quarterly. It is about $175 yearly, give or take, with taxes. That be a little more money. And then if you click the link that's in the description box down below, you'll be able to save $15 off your box. And I also have a few boxes to give away. I think I need is your email address, and I can send you those free boxes. I believe you just pay for shipping, and then you'll get a free box. But let me know, or hit me up on Instagram. I'll leave all my information down below, or on Twitter. Let me know you want the box, send me your email, and I will send you the invitation. So let's get started. I don't know how many I have to give away, but first come, first serve, so hopefully somebody gets that free box. FabFitFun. Let's open it up and see what's inside. I don't even know if I have a mess going on anywhere. I still have my Halloween stuff up. I never even did anything. But I hope everyone's doing well. Let me know in the comment section how you're doing, how things are. I know this year's gone by so quickly, you guys. Like 2020, what can I say about 2020? 2020 was a shit, and it was just like never ending. But now we're at the end of 2021. 2022 is coming. Oh, and I have some really fantastic news. I haven't shared this with pretty much nobody. Maybe my Facebook friends, and that's about it. But I'm gonna be a grandma. I'm gonna get emotional. My oldest daughter, Bianca, she's having a baby, and I'll be out in California in January. She's due in January. I don't know when I'll be out in California. I might do some videos while I'm out in California, but I'm having my first grandbaby, and I'm so excited and scared and sad because I can't be with her while she's pregnant. So anyways, that's some good news. I'm gonna be a grandma. So let's go ahead and put this out. Oh, this is no good. It actually expired. I'd give it to you. It was $15. But FabFitFun Fall flavors. You get a little booklet, and then you get a bunch of goodies. I don't know what the pricing is on anything. Hopefully I'll be able to find them in this booklet. It always changes booklet around, and I always get lost on where everything is at. So let's get started. Let's stop running my mouth. But anyways, yes. So I don't know. I've never been a grandma before. It's my first time being a grandma, and I'm actually really excited. This is my first grandbaby, my first baby. My oldest baby is having a baby, and I'm just, I don't know how to feel, you guys. I'm feeling all kinds of stuff, but mostly sad because I can't be with her and I want to cry. So I'm gonna stop. Okay, so I didn't find any of the products in here, so I don't know what the pricings are gonna be. So as later on in the video, you'll see the pricing here with the name and all that, so forth, and then I'll know how much the box was worth. Anyway, let's get started. So if you're an annual member like I am, I pay $100 and whatever annually. You get first dibs on your picks. But by the time I remember, I went on there November 2nd to pick. Half the stuff was already gone. It was sold out. So I'm like, what? But I did pick some goodies. So I can't wait to bring that box to you so you can see what that is. But if you're really interested, click on the link down below and you'll get all the information there. So the first item, and I can't tell you offhand if I bought any add-ons. I'm just telling you what's in this box right now. Okay, so this is an eco-friendly comb set, and that's by Zoe Ayla. I don't know how I say that. Let's see what these combs look like. I do need some combs. I have a bunch of brushes, but I don't think I have any combs. I barely comb my hair, as you can tell. Oh, wow. Oh, they are eco-friendly. You can feel it. So you get 2 combs, one for your wet hair, and then I guess to style your hair, you use this one. But you always want to use a comb like this too, or wide tooth comb for your hair when it's wet, because you can break it or something. You could tell, like I can probably snap this in half. So hopefully I don't break them. I normally break my brushes. So we got that, and we got a bunch of this. I don't got too much. I didn't pick, you know what? I didn't pick any of the stuff. Now I remember, I didn't pick anything from this box. I forgot about it, and it just showed up at my house. So we'll see what's next. So the next thing is the Shea Moringa Balm, and it is a moisturizing hand lotion. I don't even know if, like I said, I don't know if this, how much this is worth, or if it's an extra, but we got that. And then we got M.A.D skincare. I don't think I've ever heard of them. Anti-aging. Oh, they knew I'm old. Glycolic. Wait. Glycolic age diffusing cleanser, enhanced with oat derived additives for long-term moisturization. So we got that. And like I said, I'll put all the pricing in. Hopefully this box was, it's definitely worth over $49.99, but well, because I'm yearly, it's sealed. Since I pay yearly, the box comes out to be just a little bit cheaper. If I buy them $50 a quarter, it comes out to be about $40 a quarter. So we got that. The next item, what the hell is this? All-purpose packable backpack. I never say backpack. Backpack is for camping, book bag is for school. We call it a book bag. Everything's a book bag. Oh, interesting. Oh, my daughter probably could have used this at school. So my baby is in college. My oldest is having a baby. My daughter's still in the Marines. She'll be home for Thanksgiving, so we'll probably film a video. Oh, yeah, this is kind of cute. Actually, I like this. It's just a regular book bag. But I like the fact that you can, when you're not using it, you can just, and it's waterproof. You can just pack it right back up. How the hell did I just do this? Oh, I don't know how I just did this. Oh well, I'll pack it back in. Did it go like this? Oh, I don't remember what I just did. Yeah, right? Oh, yes, it goes inside out. I'm telling you. So it goes like this. So let me know in the comment section how everyone's doing. I feel like I've gotten out of touch with everyone. I was off of YouTube for a while. I mean, I was watching videos. I watch everybody's videos driving to work and driving home. Well, I shouldn't say that. I listen to the videos like podcasts. But yeah, keep up with everybody. So there we go. That's the back. I like this. Maybe I'll send this to Sandra. So you got that. We also got Marina. What is this? Biome Brightening Ampoule. I don't know how to say that word. A-M-P-O-U-L-E. Okay. That's the box. And let's see what it looks like. Oh, I've seen something like this. It's blue, it's liquid, it's full. I love serums. It's spirulina and blue tansy. Oh, I heard blue tansy is like really good for you. This is like the third item I've gotten with blue tansy in it. So we got that. Oh, and my nails of the day or week is Impress, which are these. Right here. These are the nails of the week. I had some other ones on the other day. They were like super long. Popped them all off at work because I couldn't type. Okay. Oh, and then we got a free Dove Advanced Care, what is this? Deodorant. That was free. I don't think that was part of this. What is this? We got the 2bandits.com. What is this? The 2 Bandits Tiered Catchall Tray. Huh. Let's take a look. Let me know if you get FabFitFun, if you got the same items, what did you get different? Did you remember to make your choices, or was everything chosen for you? In my case, like I said, everything was chosen for me. Oh, I like this. So it's plastic. It's 3-tiered. And it has felt on the inside. This is great. I like this. I'll keep this at the side of my bed. Although plastic, but it's nice. So it's a nice size. You just open them all up. I can put my rings, my earrings, and my little trinkets that I have. Maybe I'll use it. I don't know. So we got that. That's by 2 Bandits. .com. Show you the box. So that looks like. So we got that. We got, ooh, we have some jewelry by Coach. I don't think I own any jewelry by Coach. I have a Coach perfume, and only because I took it for my daughter. So I've never, have you all have any Coach jewelry? My jewelry's all from pretty much Swarovski. Swarovski comes with a little booklet, just like your purse. And let's look at the jewelry. Oh, I like this. It's not my style per se, but it's cute. But the earrings are too little. I'm a flashy girl. But the necklace is real cute. That's that's that. I don't know what this is worth. It doesn't say in the back, but that is cute. That is cute. It's probably expensive too. There's a better picture. I know the chain was. I like the chain a lot. I really like the chain. It feels heavy. This is Coach. It's cute. I guess the little poppies. That's cute. And you know what? That's not bad. I think it's cute. If I say cute one more damn time. And it comes with the little dust cover bag. And then I guess it tells you cleaning instructions and how to take care of your jewelry purchase. This was actually worth, it has to be worth more than the box itself. So if you don't keep anything else and you were just to keep this, then you're probably good. So you got that. And the last item in this box is kind of big. Kind of, it is big. It was the biggest thing in here. What is all this? Oh, if you want the coupon code, here's a coupon code for some brightsellers.com/fab21. They'll probably get credit for you going down there to use it, but you know, there it is if you want to use that. Ooh, about to throw it. So we got a Dutch oven. I'll be perfectly honest. I don't know, what do you do with a Dutch oven? Make bread? I think that's the only thing I've seen people do with these things is make bread. It's the Golden Rabbit enamelware Dutch oven. Let's see what the Dutch oven looks like. Yeah, I think I've only seen people make bread in these things. Oh, and soup. Maybe soup. I don't know. We'll figure it out. So, eek. Everything's gonna fall. Here it is. Kind of small, right? And I thought Dutch ovens were supposed to be heavier. Wow. I don't know what I was expecting from a Dutch oven. Not this. It's very lightweight. I love the color. It's blue and white. What does it say? Signature stainless steel rim. Durable and lightweight carbon steel interior, non-stick. So it says cook cuisiner, broil griller. Oh, it's in two different languages, and I'm reading them like they're both in English. I think one's in French. So cook, broil, bake, grill, and cut. I think that's French. So right underneath where it says cook, I was reading the bottom part. And that's until I realized, oh shit, that's in a different language. Oh, what a dodo brain. So dishwasher safe, do not microwave, do not soak, steel rim. You use non-abrasive cleaners for stubborn stains. Wash thoroughly before use. I don't know, I might keep it, I may not keep it. I might just give it to my son, because my son bakes. He bakes a lot. He bakes bread a lot, and he cooks. My son's the cook of the family. My daughter's maybe just a little bit, but that's what that looks like. And that's it, you guys. It's everything that came in here. Let's see, we got one. Yeah, maybe I'll save this for my son. It's not like he watches my videos anyways, and I'll just give it to him for Christmas. Oh, sorry for making a lot of noise with the carpet. So we got one. Then we got the 3-tier side table thingamajab. So that's 2. We got this book bag, which you can, it's waterproof, maybe not waterproof. Is this waterproof? It just says hand wash cold, line dry, 100% polyester. I don't think it's, no. Something tells me that it's not waterproof. It's probably water repellent, but not waterproof, I think. So we got the book bag. I think I'm gonna send that to my daughter. Actually, I like that. Maybe I'll send it to her. Got that. We got the Coach jewelry, which I really like. We got the glycolic age diffusing cleanser, so it's always good. I gotta clean my face. We got the serum. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, I guess. And we got the combs, and we got this lotion. And then we got the free deodorant. So that's everything in the FabFitFun box. This was for fall of 2021. Like I said, winter is open right now. I've already made my choices. I actually like my choices, and I was able to buy a few more choices. So I'm glad when I get that box, I will bring it to you and I'll show it to you so you can see. It's not a bad box. They've had their moments. I've gotten some really nice things from FabFitFun, but like I've always said, the box is only worth it if you like the items in it. And then if you don't like the items in it, you can give them away as gifts. Christmas is right around the corner for those of you that celebrate Christmas or birthdays or anything for that matter. Or you can sell all of it and make your money back plus some, because you're not going to use the items. I mean, I do that. I sell some of my items. But thank you all for hanging out with me. I truly appreciate it. Thank you for being here. Thank you for putting up with me. I know I have been such a bug. But yeah, if you're on TikTok, put your TikTok handles down below. I'll go follow you. I'll go watch your videos. I like supporting other creators. That's really fun. Or if you have a YouTube channel, list your information down below. I'll go check you out. But that's it. Thank you all for being here. Don't forget to hit the like if you like this video. Let me know what's going on in your life or what's going on. What don't you like about this video? That's fine with me too. But don't forget to hit the like. It really helps me out. And I'll be bringing you more content. So I will see you all later. Hasta laters.